If you want to connect YouTube Music to Discord, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to link your YouTube account to Discord so your profile can show the connection properly. This is super useful if you want to connect your accounts, make your profile a little more personal, and make it easier to manage your linked services in one place. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer or in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the gear icon. That gear icon takes you straight into your user settings, where all of your account preferences and connected apps are stored. After the settings menu opens, find and click Connections. This is the section where Discord lets you link external accounts like Twitch, Steam, Spotify, and YouTube. Once you're inside Connections, look for the area that says Add Accounts to your profile. You may need to expand that section if it's collapsed. After that, click YouTube from the list of available services. Discord will then open a sign-in window and ask you to log in to your YouTube or Google account. Go ahead and enter the account details for the YouTube channel you want to connect. After signing in, Discord will ask for permission to access the account and link it to your profile. Carefully review the permissions, then click Allow or Continue to finish the connection. Once that's done, your YouTube account will be linked to Discord and you'll be able to see it in your Connected Account section. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can connect YouTube to Discord and keep your profile connected and organized. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.